Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie, and I'm back at it with another mother loving video. To all of my new subscribers, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe down below because I know y'all gonna like this video already. But I am going to be showing y'all how I got this sexy dress right here out of a scarf. Yes, a scarf you put on your head. If you want to see how I got it, then stay tuned and continue watching.
Look at that black girl, look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey queen, so we're gonna get right into this video. So I am folding this into I get big enough for my cup, like even though it's not that big, double D's over here, but no. So basically I'm getting the length and I'm gonna use one end since it's already straight, and then I'm gonna basically measure how long I want this part of the dress, and I am going to mark it as well, and you will see later on in that video what's that good for. Okay, so clearly if you don't know, this is my firstborn Polo. He wants to play right now and it's not playtime, so y'all, I told him to move, right? And watch what he does.
No, Stinky.
He's like, okay, so you want me to move? You don't want to play with me? Alright, I'm gonna just stand here and block your video. And y'all, he literally stood there. Oh my god, I love him so much, y'all. That's my baby. But yeah, let's get into it. So I'm gonna just fold this in half, and I liked it the fact that it had this brown trim around here because this made my video, I mean not my video, but this made the dress even so doper because I had an idea to keep like the brown trim within the dress. So I'm going to make sure I cut that part because I want the brown trim, and then I'm going to use this bottom half right here for the skirt, and I want the bottom trim to be brown as well, so I'm going to do it that way. So I'm cutting up the sides. That part that I just did on the side, do not do that because that was a big no-no at the end, but I had to fix it. A lot of stuff I had to fix was because, like I said, this was my first time just going in, but these are all our pieces. So in order for me to get that brown strip in the back of the dress, I took those two pieces and I am going to, of course, turn them inside out and go ahead and sew that up together. And then I'm gonna do the same thing across the other side. And with the black lining that we had, I'm gonna go ahead and sew that in right after this, and I'm showing you now. And of course I did use some stick pins, and a couple things I did do off cam because I had to make some arrangements for the size because this scarf do not stretch at all, and yeah, so I had to do some alternation, but I did that off cam. So now we're going to turn this inside out now that we got it lined up together, and then we're just going to sew it down the side to put the skirt together. Okay, so now that we have that all done, we're going to go ahead and measure our waist with our elastic band. This is the only one I had, and y'all know I wasn't going to go out to the store, so I just used this. So I'm going to pin one end of the elastic to a part of the skirt, and then I'm going to basically wrap it around and then pin the other end to the end of that end, if you know what I mean. So now we're going to go ahead and basically sew it with the elastic. And sewing, you want to stretch the elastic out to the dress as you're sewing. So once you let it go, it'll kind of like basically do what it needs to do. Okay, so now we're just going to literally flip over the fabric and sew that closed. skirt is basically done, but we have to add the zipper, but we're not going to do that just yet. So here I am going to show you where I made my markings, and that's basically where we're going to sew on the dress. But before we get into that, I want to sew up the end where I cut it because it was a lot of stringy ends. So we're going to go ahead and hem that up really quick. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and sew at the markings. Okay, so here basically I am showing y'all where I pin on my markings of the dress for the strap. And then after that, we're just gonna literally just go ahead and sew that. I didn't cut it all off because I still want to use it just in case for a different type of design on the dress. So now we're gonna go in with our 7-inch zipper that we picked up at Walmart, and I'm gonna literally cut down the middle of the dress. The zipper part was not detailed because I don't know what happened to it, but it was simple. But if y'all want a detailed video, I will give y'all that. But yeah, that's basically it. The dress is done. Okay, so this is the final and finishing look, y'all. Ooh, ooh. But mind y'all, I still gotta do some taking it in. But yes, y'all, I am loving it. I gotta stand up there. I need y'all to see this in full effect. Like, yo, I don't know. I just feel like my lighting is not looking right. Bae, come here. Y'all, I don't think my lighting look right. I gotta call Bae. Ooh. So I'm trying to get like my full body, but the light is not looking right. So can you kind of like help me, like just y'all? So it's definitely giving me Bam Bam from the Flintstone vibes. Oh my god, I used to love that cartoon. Comment down below if you used to watch it. Okay, babes. Okay, because I mean, okay. OMG. Hold back out. A zipper. And yes. So, y'all, this little part right here, it's like these are the extra little pieces from this. And I decided to, it's either or if you want. You could put a bow on here. Y'all, don't mind my, you know. But I'm going to put some pastries on. But, oh, excuse me, I don't have any right now. But, y'all, this is amazing. Out of a scarf? What? Out of a scarf, though. Y'all, I'm trying to get y'all so y'all see the whole. I hate that I'm so short. And then I don't know how to position my camera to get the full body. Hold on, let me see. Alright, there we go. Y'all, this dress, it took a lot out of me. It was a little challenging. Maybe because I upcycled. I used a scarf and a t-shirt. If I had like the full fabric, I feel like it'll be so much easier. But yes, this is it. This is the final and finishing look. So I do have, like I said, I do have this little cute little bow right here that you can have it here if you want. And if not, you can simply let it hang. Oh, y'all, and because this being a scarf, you know the ends are really jagged. You know how your scarf rip and whatnot, but these are like pieces that I forgot to cut off. Like, you know, the little stringy parts. But anywho, you can either leave it hanging like so, up to you, or you could tuck it in. And of course you could tuck it in to make it look a little better. Comment down below and let me know which way that you like it. You like it tucked, hanging loose, or the little cute little bow. I think this simple bare part like this is my favorite, and then the bow and the other one I would just not do at all. It's just an option. And I love how the whole back is out, you know, a little sexy peekaboo. But yes, this is the final and finishing look. Let me know what y'all think. I'm not gonna hold y'all super long, but I love it. But yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know what y'all think about this video. Let me know if you guys will wear this. I'm definitely gonna wear this one. Usually I'll be making clothes and I don't wear, but I will be wearing this for my anniversary. And I think I am going to go with this natural ponytail.